Hello, grade 3. How are you? Are you okay? Today we are going to look at unit number 7. We have nearly finished unit number 7. Yay! Just a little bit more to do. Today you will need your student book because we are going to look at page number 81. 81 has some reading and listening. Then it has some questions that you need a pencil, maybe an eraser, because you're going to answer those questions by writing. And that's it. That's all we're going to do today. There are 3 parts to page 81. Okay. 1 is just listening and reading. 2 are question and answers where you will need to do some writing and some thinking. Okay. That's basically all we're going to do. As usual, if you have your headphones, please wear them so you can hear me much better. Okay. If you don't have them, that's okay. That's okay. No problem. But if you do, put them on. Like I said, we have nearly finished unit number 7, but as always, we will start with our 6 subject words and our 6 actions that we do in those subjects. Shall we start? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's look at our 6 subject words from unit number 7. Subjects are the things that we do in the classroom. What's this one? Have a ball. They're wearing shorts and t-shirts. They're wearing sneakers. What is it? PE, physical education, PE. Okay, these children are looking at a map of the world. Maybe they are looking at different people. Maybe they're looking at those people to see how they are the same. Maybe what they wear, what they eat, how they speak, what they believe. They are maybe looking at how they are the same or how they are different. What is this? Social studies. Now this girl is trying to find an answer, isn't she? She's trying to find an answer to a problem using numbers. What is this subject called? Math. Now, these students are looking at something using a microscope. That object is called a microscope. They have some chemicals, the yellow chemical, blue, brown, in the glass, in the glasses. Maybe they are mixing something to find an answer to what happens when we mix these together. So this subject is also about finding answers. What is it? Science. Science, yes. Now look at this, lots of colours. I see paint, I see paint brushes, I see children wearing overalls so they don't get their clothes dirty with paint. I see pictures. What is this class? Art. And the last one. Now this teacher is showing this student how to play a trumpet. I can see a girl with a flute, another boy with a saxophone at the back. What is this subject called? Music. Okay, these are our 6 subject words that we must know from unit number 7. Okay, can you remember the action words that we looked at last class? These are the things we do in the 6 subjects. Okay, number 1, what is this girl doing? Paint pictures. Number 2, this boy is in math class, but what do we do in math class? Solve math problems, that's right. Remember, solve, it means to look for the answer. Number 3, what do we do in science class? Do experiments. Here, our action word is do. Okay, this is music class. What do we do in music class? Sing songs. Number 5, social studies. Now, sometimes we do this in social studies to find out where people live. What is this? Read maps. That's right, read maps. Number 6, PE. What do we do in PE? play, sports. Yes. Okay, please practice these actions because you will need to know them for the next big quiz, and try to remember what actions go with which subjects. Let's start with part A, look and learn. So we have looked at the 3 prepositions of time a lot already, so I hope that you understand when we have to use at, on and in. But let's look again. This is page number 81 in your student book. So here's number 1, at. So let's look at the examples. It says at 9 o'clock, at 6:30. So we use at to tell us a time, when something happens in a time, a real time, a time from the clock. 9 o'clock, 6:30, these are real times. Wela, right? They are real times. So we say at. I have my dinner at 9 o'clock. What is the action? Have dinner. When does it happen? At 9 o'clock. Okay, the next one is on. So let's look at the examples. On Monday, or on Mondays. Monday, term S, is every Monday. Tuk wan jan, on Mondays. On May 1st, we'll come back to that one. On Halloween, on December 15th. Okay, so December 15th is the same as May 1st. So we talked about on before. I told you that if we use the name of a day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then we say on. We use it when we are talking about one day, just one. And then we have on May the 1st. Now, we talked about months being like a box, and that we should use in when we talk about months. But here we are not talking about the month, we are talking about the day in the month, the first, wan ti nun, right? So we say on May 1st. We're talking about one day. We're not talking about May, we're talking about the first. It could be a Monday, it could be a Tuesday, I don't know, but it is just one day. So we say on. Then we have Wan Piset, Halloween, Valentine's Day, Loi Gratong, Christmas Day. We use on. We are talking about one day. And December 15th, again, we are talking about Wan Ti Sip Ha. We are not talking about December. We're not looking at December. We are looking at one day in December, the 15th. I have my math test on December 15th. Okay, so the last one, in. We use in for months and years and times of the day. Oh, and here is a new one, the seasons. Okay, so let's look. In July, in 1998, in spring, in the morning, this is a part of the day, isn't it? The morning, it has a start and it has a finish, and there is time in the middle. It's like a box. You can put things into the morning. It has a start and a finish in the morning. In October, October is the same. It has a start, wan ti nung, and it has a finish, wan ti, what is it? 31. So it has all of those days in the middle, in In 2016, so a year has all of the months, January, February, March, April, May, in the year. In summer, summer is a season, summer, autumn, winter, spring. They have a start and a finish. There is time in the middle of these seasons, so we say in. And in the afternoon, that is the same as in the morning. It is a part of the day. It has a start and a finish. The afternoon starts at tianwan, midday, and it finishes at hok mong yen, 6 p.m. Okay, in the afternoon. Part B, you have to read with me, so please read along, listen, and then when you are done, you need a pencil and you need to write at, on, or in. You understand? เขียน at, on, หรือ in. Let's read. Hello, my name is Ella. I wake up 8 o'clock. The morning. I go to school on weekdays. School starts 9 a.m. I have music class Mondays. I love it. On weekends, I play music with my friends. We'll have a concert June. Please come and listen. Okay. What do you think? So here we have some times. We have parts of the day. We have the name of a day, and we have a month, the name of a month. Now you can go back to part A on page 81 and have a look to see what words you think you need to write. Please do that now. Okay, don't cheat. Write your answers. Write what you think is the correct word. Is it on? Is it at? Is it in? And then when you have finished, watch the next part of this video and I will show you the answers. Okay, please pause the video now and do the work. Stop the video, write your answers and come back. Okay, off you go. Okay, have you written the words? Did you take 5 minutes to write, to read? 10 minutes if you want. I don't care. You can take as long as you want. But have you written your words at, on, or in? Have you done it? Please don't cheat. Okay. Hello, my name is Ella. I wake up at 8 o'clock because it is a real time from the clock. We say at. In the morning, it is a part of the day. We say in. I go to school on weekdays. What are weekdays? Weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. They are not Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. วันหยุด the weekend. We don't call Saturday and Sunday a weekday. Okay, school starts at 9 a.m. because we are talking about a real time. We say at. I have music class on Mondays. We are using the name of a day, so we say on. I love it. On weekends, there's the weekend, วันหยุด weekends, Saturday and Sunday. วันเสาร์ วันอาทิตย์ weekend. I play music with my friends. You can see them here in the picture. We'll have a concert in June. June is the name of a month. It has a start, it has a finish, and it has time in the middle, doesn't it? Like a box, it has a space in the middle. What is in the middle of a month? Days, that's right. So a month is filled up with days. Okay, please come and listen. How did you do? Did you do okay? Yeah? If you didn't, it's okay. Go back. Look at page 81 part A and you can try and learn how to use these words. You can also look at my other videos. Remember, we talk about this in videos that I have already sent you. So you can go and look at those too. Okay, here's part C. Correct the underlined words. So one word in each sentence. There is 5 sentences. Each sentence has one word that has a line. Let's look at number 1. Here it is, at. So all of the words are the prepositions. They are wrong,ผิด. You must read and write the correct word in the box on the right, okay? So let's read. Number 1, Goodbye. See you at Saturday. At Saturday? No, wrong. Please write the word. Do it now. Have your pencil, have your book. Write the word that should be in this sentence. Is it in or is it on? Write the correct word in the box. Number 2. He gets up in 7 o'clock. In 7 o'clock, we are talking about time, real time from the clock. So in is wrong. What is the correct word we use with time? Can you write it in the box, please? Okay. Number 3. I usually go jogging on the morning. On the morning? No. Now we are talking about a part of the day. A part of the day. The morning, the afternoon, the evening. What word do we use? We don't use on. That's wrong. Can you write the correct word in the box, please? Number 4. My mum's birthday is at July 7th. At July 7th? That's not correct, is it? That's wrong. Okay, now I'm not going to tell you what you have to look at to get the right answer here. This is something I want you to think about for yourself, okay? Kip doing. Think about what we are talking about here. What part of time are we looking at in question number 4? Is it the month, July, or is it the day, 7th? And then you need to tell me the correct word. Have a think about it. Number 5. We will visit our grandparents on winter. Well, winter is a season. It has a start and a finish with time in the middle, like a box. It has space in the middle, like a box. What word do we use with something like winter? It would also be the same for something like January or 2022. You would use the same word. What is it? Okay, have you finished? Let's have a look at the answers. If you have not finished, stop the video, write the words in the boxes, and then start the video, okay? With me telling you the answers and you haven't tried to think about it, you're not going to learn anything. Okay, I'm trusting that you have already written your answers. Here we go. Number 1. Goodbye. See you at Saturday. No, this is one day. One day. We talk about one day with on. See you on Saturday. Number 2. He gets up in 7 o'clock. In 7 o'clock? No, this is a time. One part of the clock. So we say at. He gets up at 7 o'clock. I usually go jogging on the morning. On the morning? No. The morning is like a box. It has a start and a finish. That means there's something in the middle. If there's something in the middle, we can say in. I usually go jogging in the morning. Number 4, my mum's birthday is at July 7th. At July 7th. Now, what are we looking at here? We're looking at the day, 1 jet. We are not looking at July. We are looking at one day. We are talking about one day. You can only have one birthday, right? On one day. So we use on. We will visit our grandparents on winter. No, winter is like the morning. It is like a box. It has a start and a finish. So we say in. Now don't forget number 4, there were 2 things you could look at here. There was the month, July, and there was the day, the 7th. If there is a day, then we will use on. We are always talking about the day, okay? How did you do? On, at, in, on, in. Did you do okay? Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, that's it. That's it. We have very, very nearly finished unit number 7. So today there is no homework. In the next class, please be ready for some homework, okay? How did you do with your prepositions on, at, and in? Were you okay? Don't forget, if you don't remember or you're finding it difficult, you can look again here on page number 81. There are also the videos I made about prepositions. So they are the last video and the video before, I think, I'm not sure, but I have done videos on prepositions already, prepositions of time. Okay, that's it. Like I said, Unit 7 is nearly finished. Next class, please expect some homework. There is no homework today. So I will see you for that class next time. Have a very nice day. See you next time. Bye.